So here's a slick little trick for tapping holes using a drill press. I'm going to drill my hole. Okay, so that's a nice clean little hole. Now I'm not going to move anything. I've got my drill all lined up, it's all centered, so what you do at this point is to switch out the drill with your tap. Stick the tap in here. Not moving anything, it's perfectly lined up and it's going to feed in straight and true. The catch is you want to power it up and then kill the power so you're not over driving the tap. You just want to get it enough momentum so it feeds and enough downward pressure so it feeds. So I'm going to spin it up, cut the power, and it's got a nice little feed to it. Now I can pull the tap out and take the work out and actually complete the tapping by using a wrench. Now properly you'd use an aluminum cutting fluid. Let me just tighten this down. So here you have it. I'm just feeding it in by hand, finishing off the tap, and back it out. And you have a nice clean hole, perfectly aligned, well started. Especially on a soft material like aluminum, it's important to get a good start on it. On steel as well, where it's really difficult. Otherwise, when you're trying to tap it, you drill the hole and you're sitting here with your hand trying to line it up before you have a thread.